Hi everybody. I wanted to make a quick video that shows the different settings you can change on your select to speak or text to speech settings. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go down here to the setup menu and go to the settings. So once we're here, we can change our accessibility settings, and that's where we'll find how to change the voice when the computer reads to you. So if we click on advanced and go down to the picture of the person, that's accessibility. We want to click on manage accessibility features. So if we click on that, we're going to focus on this top section here, text to speech. Okay. So just as a review, Chrome Vox is the full screen reader that also uses a refreshable braille display. So this is best for students who have visual impairment. And then what we wanted to focus on is select to speak, which is the digital text to speech reader that's built into the Chrome operating system. So there's other videos about how to turn that on and how to use it. So I just want to focus on the settings for today. So there's two sort of settings that we want to focus on today. The select to speak settings and the text to speech voice settings. So I think the way that I think of it is that the function of this tool is text to speech, and Chrome's version of that is called select to speak. So they're sort of interchangeable, but slightly different. So I just wanted to review that quickly. So if we click on open select to speak settings, a new Chrome window will pop up, and this gives us a limited options of things to change. So you can select a voice, but the thing is that there's only one English voice, and then there are other voices in other languages. So it's best to just use the Chrome US English voice. Okay. You can also change if it's preset to highlight the words as it's spoken with a blue highlight. So you can change this color here if you want, and this is what it looks like on a light background or a dark background, and you can change these settings as well. Okay, but if we go back to our settings menu, we can click on text to speech voice settings. This has a little bit more options for us. So what we can do is we can change the rate. So if you find that you would like it to read a little bit faster to you, you can speed up the rate. If you'd like to slow it down, you can slow down the rate. I like it where it's at the 100% setting, but you can also change the pitch. And I prefer sort of a lower pitch. It sounds a little bit more lifelike when it's at a lower pitch, in my opinion, but feel free to play around and try with it. And then there's the volume. I always recommend doing it at 100% and then just change the volume settings on your device. Okay, so you can preview the text here. And again, this is the same thing, is that there's really only one voice you can use for English, and that's the Chrome US English, which is what it's preset. But you can change the rate and the pitch and the volume if you want. Those are the main different settings that you can choose to play around with and see what works best for you. Okay.